Hi, this is Munir Ahmad from Lattice Semiconductor. What we are demoing today is DC-SCM and LTPI with Ampere platform. There is a couple of things I just like to mention here. One is this is definitely the DC-SCM. So we are seeing a mega trend in the data center area where people are trying to do modularization, which is a data center MHS, modular hardware system, DC-MHS. And DC-SCM is one of the subtract of the DC-MHS. So DC-SCM, what it did is it separates the security and control from the main motherboard platform. And within the DC-SCM, because you only have limited number of pins, so there is a lot of serialization of I2C and GPIO is needed that needs to pass through a certain interface, and that's what we developed this LTPI interface. So what we're trying to show here, there's a couple of things here. One is definitely the LTPI. Lattice is in the leader of LTPI. We contributed the spec. We're also working constantly with OCP to manage the spec. But at the same time, we're trying to show here that this is an Ampere platform, and our IP, the LTPI, is CPU agnostic. So what that means is that you can have AMD, Intel, it doesn't matter, LTPI can work together. So some of the things that I like to mention here, there's definitely our LTPI solution is fully compliant, but we also work with, if you look at, there is another major vendor for LTPI is Intel. The Maxton has LTPI IP, and we work with Intel to get an interoperable IP that can work for both Lattice and so basically one side you can have Lattice, one side you can have Intel working on the LTPI solution together. And some of the things that I also like to say here that if you look at, we do have some of the faster interface. Even though OCP doesn't mandate that, but we have up to 1200 megabit per second LVDS data rate, and we have multiple products that XO3D, XO5, Mac and X, all this is supporting different things. And from the LTPI perspective, we definitely support CLI2C, CLGPIO, low latency and normal latency GPIOs, data channels, and also if someone wants to do the custom channels, as well as eWord. So all these things we can do, and if you look at the clock speed that is mentioning here, it's pretty fast. So there's two things that I just mention again, that we are CPU agnostic, and definitely we are in the leadership position in the DC-SCM LTPI. Thank you.